Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c:/boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved.
and you're good to go.